I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wall frame decoration. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a reliable tape measure, a sturdy level, and a pencil for marking. Next, carefully select the perfect wall space for your display, ensuring it complements your room's existing decor. Think about the overall theme and color palette you want to achieve, as this will guide your material choices. Planning ahead saves time and ensures a beautiful, cohesive result for your home. Now, let's talk about selecting the perfect elements for your wall display. Choose frames that offer a delightful mix of sizes, shapes, and materials, like wood or metal, to create visual interest. Select artwork, photographs, or even fabric swatches that truly resonate with your chosen theme and personal style. Don't be afraid to incorporate unique items such as small mirrors or lightweight three-dimensional objects to add depth and a personalized touch to your arrangement. This variety makes your display truly captivating. With your frames and art ready, it's time to design your layout. A great tip is to first arrange all your frames on the floor. This allows you to visualize the entire display and make adjustments easily before committing to the wall. Aim for consistent spacing between frames, typically around 2 to 3 inches, to create a balanced and harmonious look. Once you're happy with the arrangement, use painter's tape to mark the exact positions on your wall before you begin drilling, ensuring precision. Finally, let's hang your beautiful wall frame decoration and add those finishing touches. Always use appropriate hardware that can safely support the weight of your frames and is suitable for your wall type, whether it's drywall or plaster. Take the time to ensure each frame is perfectly level. A small adjustment makes a big difference in the overall polished appearance. Consider adding small decorative elements, like a tiny shelf or a plant nearby, to enhance the display and tie the entire space together beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.